Hello and welcome. My name is Layla DLovely and I am going to show you this fabulous drag look today. I'm wearing something that has buttons so that I don't have to pull clothing over my makeup, and I have my hair tied back. Many drag queens will cover their eyebrows. I don't bother covering it. Clown White by Ben Nye, an oil-based cream, sketching where I want my eyebrows. Higher the brows, the closer to God. If I do a full glitter, I pat around where I want that glitter to live, put the cream everywhere else, cover a lot of my face. It kind of like pre-highlights this area, but also it gives a really good foundation to eyeshadows. And you don't have to bring it this far down depending on your personal skin tone. And then I blend my foundation up to meet it. Keep it kind of thin and blended if at all possible. Set that white with this Ben Nye Super White. Pretty thick layer of this everywhere, especially on my top lid. Don't scrub it too early on because you will disrupt the under layer. Big fluffy brush, knock off the extra. It's just a brush tip liquid eyeliner. My philosophy is don't spend extra money on makeup unless it's something that really matters. I like this one, it's cheap, it works. Oops, if you make a mistake, they just get like bigger. You can make them any shape you want to. Huge and bushy, tiny and arch, squiggly, add fun shapes. I'm making these pointy today. Giving yourself a lot of lid space. Higher brows definitely open the face up and allow for more fun. You know, skin will have little creases and texture and you'll see little imperfections, and that's normal. Eyebrows! They're not perfectly symmetrical, but you know, sisters, not twins. Very, very high. I went all the way to my hairline. Don't be shy. So this is the palette that I use most by Violet Voss, and it's called Bright Vibes. Bright colors. I can't decide. You have like a brow bone right here. It kind of creates a natural swoosh. If you raise your brows enough, it becomes free. I go a little higher, a little bit of drama. Cute little arch. Oh, that palette is busted. It's just an NYX little palette. It's got some reds and golds and a little bit of green. Oh no! My light went out. Crisis averted. A lot of people struggle to blend black, and I get that, but it just takes a little bit more effort. Same line, darken it up a tiny bit. I like to give my face some structure, so we're actually gonna put on eyeliner now. So, just go for it. Your eye is drawn to those lines. Think of it as like really building a framework and a structure for how you want your face to look and your makeup to sit and where you want people's eyes to be drawn out. So if you want to have a more narrow face, you can put your eyeliner going high up, and that looks amazing on some people. Doesn't look as good on me. Know your face, learn it, practice, learn your own angles. And as I say that, I'm like looking at my eyebrow needs to be like that much higher. Going bold. So when I'm just talking, but this is important. If I were to pull my eyes and do my eyeliner like many people do, or do it with my eyes closed, when I opened it, there would be like this weird zigzag. So I do my eyeliner and I do pretty much all my makeup with my eyes open. And I think that's really important. If you do close your eyes or pull at your skin when you're doing your makeup, I encourage you try doing it the other way. Love the skin you're in, but you have to learn how to do the makeup for the face you have. At the tear duct, go kind of in and down. Actually fill this in. If you want more white underneath your eyes, which a lot of people do, you can do it like this, and you can connect it even further along or not connect it at all and have a white line underneath, and that will definitely give you that like doll-like look and really wide-eyed look. But I like that more fierce cat eye thin. I go on Pinterest and I look at makeup and I say, hey, I wonder if I can do that. I'm gonna finish my eyeshadow. Hey. Fluffy brush is good for blending on the lid. Yes, I think that's very pretty. Blend out that line and that black shadow right along there, really tight in, and then using that same fluffy brush, blend it out a little. Morphe Maddie Ziegler palette, but the reason I like it, it's so much more pigmented, which might seem scary, but is actually a really good thing. Then you use less product, and it's where you place it. A little bit of fallout there. We're gonna make it pop. A white line where I put the eyeshadow. It makes things look way cleaner. So I have the same thing in silver, and the metallic shades, they flow better. Clean up that line a little and thicken it if I want to. And so you can really do this in any color you want. Draw a little V in that inner corner. Sparkles are amazing. Got it online, loads of sparkles. I also have the like hard candy palettes, NYX little loose glitters. Always want more. And eyelash glue. I use the back of a makeup brush because it's smooth and I can clean it off. And you just paint the eyelash glue where you want your glitter to live. Not too big of a layer, you don't want it like messy. Put your eyeliner on first, because otherwise you're drawing eyeliner on top of bumpy glitter. Tiny brush like this, pick up the glitter and place it down on that glue. And you can give the glue a second to dry just so it doesn't go everywhere, and some of it will fall. Just do it over the sink. Hard to do a blend with glue, but if you just do some dots, your eye can't really tell the difference because it will fall on your cheeks, which is why we haven't done any makeup except for the white. I'm putting light colors and glitter at the inner corners of your eye, just really help to draw the light there, and for me, draws the eyes out and gives, again, like widens my face. You don't have to put eyeshadow underneath your eye. It gives you more space to put color on your face, because remember, this is not day makeup. This is performance makeup, where like more is more. Tiny bit of that black. Blend that out with the fluffier brush again. Getting inspired. See that white corner? It's cool, but like it could be cooler maybe. Just a really bright shade to draw attention again out. You can also put glitter there. I use the exact same eyeshadow that I used on my eyes for some blush. A lot of people like only put blush up here, and I really like the apples of my cheeks to have some color. A little nose, a little chin. Super eyebrow rouge, yeah. Let's go in with some glitter highlight. I like to put some right here, bring it down the bridge of my nose a tiny bit. A little dot of that because I like kind of a button nose kind of look. Some up here again. Again, a lot of people don't put makeup on their apples of their cheeks like this, but for me, round and happy. Sometimes I'll actually put some contour on that. Highlighter there. And on my lip, ooh, she's shiny, folks. Dot of it on my nose, or a little star, or a little heart. Focal point for your eye to really, really pop. Wow. We could add a lot of glitter here. It's super fun. Just some loose glitter and the eyelash glue again. Put the eyelash glue where you want it. I like liquid lipsticks. You can choose how to draw your lips any way you want. You could overdraw them. You could underdraw them. Big bottom lip and no upper lip. It's a very interesting look. I'm making a mess. I really struggle with lipstick symmetry, brain. My lips are different shapes on each side, and so I struggle to get them even, and that's okay. Sometimes I give a cupid's bow. The kids are doing it on TikTok to color that in. The cute pouty look. If I can get it even in any way, shape, or form. I've definitely fallen into like the keep adding more because it's not even, and then you're like, what have I done? Some white up there, a transitionary little ridge. Sometimes I will line my lips in like a darker color, tap a little bit of highlighter on them. We are so close, I can smell it. These are big. You can glue multiple sets of lashes together and make them super huge. It's the same, it's duo, but I like to use the paint on one for lashes because I find that it sticks a lot better. You don't have to put the lash along your lash line. It starts at my lash line and goes to my crease, and that makes them look really big. And also, if you get a lot of product on your natural lashes, sometimes I just wipe them off because I've misplaced my blush brush. I think the reason I want more is because I want a brighter color. So I really like this brand, this Juvia's Place Blush Duo Rosy Rust, and I love this orange blush. Yes, that's what I wanted. It makes me look a little clownish, and I like that. I like that I'm wearing makeup look. Cool. Pin curls. I often put on the wig cap before I do my makeup. Sometimes, and by sometimes I mean usually, whenever I'm wearing a wig, I will glue down my widow's peak, cover it with makeup. If it peeps out under a fancy colored wig, it doesn't show. Many people will put a ring of like duct tape, but I worry about how that impacts my wigs. Some people will use like a rubber band. They make like a hairband for wigs they pin into if you don't have any natural hair. It's up to you how you secure it. I will, however, glue down the edges of my wigs, mostly here so that it doesn't lift, and just along the hairline, just a little bit of spirit gum. Keeping wigs clean and as free of product as possible extends their wear. Yeah, be nice to your wigs. Right, folks, here we're back with my wig. Hope this was helpful. Please reach out to me at Layla DLovely. Have fun with makeup.